Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Arii on the spot to make it hot, okay, period. And today we're back with the eyebrow tutorial. These are the eyebrows that I normally do when I doing like a makeup look or some type of look. But yeah, as you can see, I'm tying up my hair so that my hair don't be in my face while we get into this look. Okay, so now I'm taking my spoolie brush. I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows just to tame them a little bit. Though I barely have any, still gotta fix them. And be easy with me because I know there's nothing there, but still, I gotta get them done. Now I'm taking my black eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna outline under my eyebrows first and then the top of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna fill them in. Now I'm taking my spoolie brush again and I'm gonna just brush out my outlines a little bit to fill in more of my eyebrows. And now we're going to do the same exact thing to the other eyebrow. Now when filling in your eyebrows, you can go however dark you want and however light you want. I decided to go light for today's look. Now before I go in with my concealer, I go again and do a little touch up on my eyebrows with the spoolie to make sure everything is the way I want it. And then I put some concealer on my hands and I take my brush and carefully outline my eyebrows. Now remember, patience is key when it comes to outlining your eyebrow, because if you go too fast sometimes, you see how I just slipped up? You will slip up and have to do the whole eyebrow over again. So make sure you take your time. Right here, I'm bringing down the concealer so that I can blend it in more properly with my eye. Now it's time to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. So of course my dumb self made a mistake. Being now supposed to show y'all one thing, I'm over here doing the other. But what I was intending to do was show y'all how to do eyebrows using two different concealers. Light on the bottom and dark on the top. Please don't do what I just did. I don't even know what possessed me to do that. I just want to show y'all that I make mistakes. Now it's time to blend out the eyebrow, so I grab my beauty blender and my crease brush and I carefully blend out the eyebrows so therefore I don't mess up the outlines that I just did. eyebrows that I will be using for the next makeup look video coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. I will do another eyebrow video for eyebrows that I do when I'm going outside just with eyebrows, like no foundation or anything. I'll make a separate video so you guys can see that. Okay, this is the end of the video. I did not finish blending out my eyebrows, right? That is because I'm doing a makeup look with these eyebrows. So if you want to see that makeup look that I'm doing, stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because we're only going from here. You see, you see the eyebrows? These are eyebrows. They ain't no like, you know, fancy eyebrows. Like how, yeah, because I ain't get there yet. I'm trying. But they good. They some good eyebrows. So like what I did, like my tutorial. Oh my god, my blood spilled. But yeah, if you like this little video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch all my recent videos, and go watch the video after this. Hopefully it's up by then. But yeah, love you guys. I'm out.